become a special education teacher, the first thing you need to do is consult your state guidance for what is required to be a special education teacher. Here in the United States, it's decided by each state what the requirements are, and they can change a little bit. That said, there are a lot of similarities that tend to be true across all states, at least here in the United States, for what's required to be a special education teacher. The first step that you generally need to follow is to obtain a bachelor's or master's degree in special education. This degree is going to give you the background and knowledge and training that you need to understand how to be the best special education teacher possible. Next, you typically need to complete an internship in special education. This internship is a great way to get real world experience practicing, usually with the help of a mentor or other experienced special education teacher. And this is going to give you that real world experience to apply the skills that you picked up when you were studying your bachelor's or master's degree. Next, typically there's a state required test that you need in order to apply for your special education license. This test is a step that most states take so that they can ensure that there's a general equality in the programs that are provided by the state. Finally, the next step is to obtain your teaching license. Usually, once you've completed your education, your internship, and your test, you're ready to apply for that license so that you can start teaching.